Hello everyone, welcome to Best T-shirt Designs. Today in this video I am going to share this 170 premium mockups with you guys. So these are not my creations, I didn't create them, but I found them on another group, so I am sharing this with you guys. And I am going to show you guys how to edit this kind of mockups. So these are the files you will get. You will get them in PSD format, and for changing your designs in this mockups you have to simply double click here. So this is a layer you will find in every mockup, that is place your logo layer, and here you have to double click on this layer thumbnail and it will open up like this. Now you can simply go to file, then you can simply place linked, you can simply click on place linked and then bring in any design you want. So this is one of my previous design, let's just make it a bit smaller so that it can fit, and let's press enter. So you can see this is it's looking like this. So all I have to do is turn off this previous layer, that is the original design of the mockup. You can see this design, so I am turning that off and then press Ctrl S. So Ctrl S will save it, but it will show up a dialog like this. Just ignore it, click OK, and here it will replace with your design. So you can see this is how it is looking, and you can simply change the color. You can see you have to turn on this color layer, it is going to look like that. But if you want to make it look like a, so once you turn on this color layer you have to double click here, it will open up a dialog box like this. You can change the colors here, whatever color you want. But if you want to go for a black color, then if you go for this full black, it is not going to look very realistic. So all you have to do is just go from something like this area, this gray kind of color, in this area, and click OK. So that will give you a black looking t-shirt here. So that's the way you can change the designs here. So in every mockup you will find this layer, or you can simply just go to, okay, let me show you guys. So let's bring any file by dragging or clicking on this place linked option, whatever you like, place them something like that. Keep in mind that original logo that you can see here, so this is the perfect position. You have to align your design with that position, then turn that on and then turn off the original layer, press Ctrl S, it is going to show you that, ignore that. So this is how it is going to look on your t-shirt, and you can see you can simply press Ctrl T here. So Ctrl T will give you a transform option. You can simply modify your design here, make it small or bigger, whatever you want. Just ignore that message, turn on this color layer, and then you can simply go for any color you want. So let's say I want to make it a black t-shirt. So black is the problem here, so that's why I am showing the black. So it is going to look like that, and it is going to look very realistic. You can see here the design is blending with the t-shirt, and these are really premium mockups. So here is the important part. For downloading these mockup files you have to do two things. One is you have to go to my Facebook group, you will find the link in the description. Then in my Facebook group, in the announcement section, you will find a link to download this mockup bundle or this mockup package. You will get 170 plus mockups in there, and for extracting that zip folder you will need a password, that is btd2021 best t-shirt designs 2021. So this is the password you will need to open that file, and you can let me know if you need any kind of questions. Just don't comment like where is the download link. If you are watching this video, then you will completely understand, or you will know where to download it. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope this will help you to present your work in a nice and professional way. So that's it for today's video guys. Have a great time. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video.